Good morning, students. Myself Mohan. Today we'll learn about the topic International System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, we represent the place value numbers in terms of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions, so on. Here in the international system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and so on for represent the values of the place value numbers. Let us draw a place value chart for the international system of numeration. So, in international system of numeration, every 3 digits numbers from the right forms one's group, that is ones, tens, hundreds are the 3 digits which forms a group belongs to ones, and then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 100,000s. These three forms the group, that is thousands groups, and then millions, 10 millions, 100 millions forms the group, that is millions. In this way, here every 3 digits forms one group, that is ones, thousands, millions. Let us know the difference between writing a international system of numeration and Indian system of numeration by drawing a place value chart for Indian system of numeration with international system of numeration. So consider an example: 6,32,146. We can write this number in terms of both, that is Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration. So first you have to write in Indian place value system. So in Indian place value system, first 3 digits from the right part or right direction takes one group, that is ones, that is 6 in the ones group, 4 in the tens, 100 place is 1, that is 3 digits from the right part forms the one group, that is 146, 146, and then the 1000 groups. After that, every 2 digits forms a group, that is here in thousands group, thousands, that is 2, 10,000 is 3, that is 32,000. In last, the remaining number is 6. 6 forms the groups of lakhs. Therefore, in the Indian system of numeration, first 3 digits forms the group, and then every 2 digits forms the next group. So here 6,32,146. So write this example for international place value system or the international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, every 3 digits from the right part forms the group, that is here every 3 digits from the right forms the group, that is ones group, that is ones, that is 6, tens, that is 4, 100, that is 1. Therefore ones forms 1, 4, 6. In the next, every 3 digits forms the group. Next, in thousands groups, tens, in thousands group, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. That is, in thousands group, 2, in 10,000 groups, 3, in 100,000, 6. Therefore, 632,146. In international place value system, every 3 digits from the group forms the one group. That is 146 one group and 632 forms one group. While in Indian place value system, only last 3 digits forms the one group and then remaining every 2 digits forms the group. So in Indian system of numeration, every 3 digits from the group forms one group and the remaining every 2 digits forms the group. While in the international system of numeration, every 3 digits from the right forms the group. So consider another example. So we will know how to write a numbers in terms of Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So take 5,39,277. Here from right side, the right part, every 3 digits from the right part forms the group and then every 2 digits, that is 5,39,277. So it can be written as 5,39,277. So write this same number in the international place value system. As in international place value system, every 3 digits from the right forms the group, that is 277 forms one group, 539 forms one group, that is 539,277. 539,277. In this way, you have to write the numbers in terms of Indian place value system as well as international place value system. Let us solve some problems relating to Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. First one, take place commas correctly and write the numerals. Here, place commas correctly and write the numerals. Here, problems are given in the form of words. You have to write these words in the form of numerals by putting commas correctly. So, first one, 6,381. So, first one, 6,381. This is in the form of words. So, you have to write it in the form of numerals. First, you have to check these words belongs to Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration. First, you have to check it whether it belongs to Indian or the international system of numeration. Here, this word belongs to Indian system of numeration. So, in Indian system of numeration, every in first 3 digit number belongs to one group and then every 2 digits belongs to one group. Here 381, that is 183 belongs to one group. Therefore, after 3 you have to put comma. Then the remaining number is 6000. Therefore write 6 as it is. Therefore 6381. 6381. It is in the numeral form. In this way you have to write the given words in the form of numerals. Second one, take 23,30,100. 23,30,100. So you have to check whether it belongs to Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration. So here in this problem it belongs to Indian system of numeration. So write it in the form of numerals. So first you have to write first 3 digits belongs to one group, and then every 2 digits belongs to another group. So 100 is given. So write 100. That is after 1 you have to put comma. That is 100, 100, and remaining 30,000. So write 30 and then put comma. Then the remaining is 23 lakh. Therefore write 23. So therefore 23 lakh 30,100. It is in the numeral form. In this way you have to write the given words in the form of numerals. Next, insert commas suitably and write the names according to an Indian system of numeration. So insert commas suitably and write the names according to an Indian system of numeration. Here numerals are given. You have to write it in the form of words in Indian system of numeration. So first one, 85 lakh 46,283. So first 3 digits belongs to one group, that is 283, and then for every 2 digits forms one group, that is 46, and put comma and then 85. Therefore it is in the 85 lakh 46,283. The 85 lakh 46,283. Second one, 9 crore 99 lakhs 46. So first put every 3 digit one group, that is 046. So 046 forms one group, that is 0 is in the 100 place, 4 is in the 10th place, 6 is in the 1's place, and then you have to put every 2 digits a comma, that is 0, 0, then 9, put a comma, and then 9, 9, and put comma, that is 9 crore 99 lakh 46. This is the solution for the given number in the Indian system of numeration, that is 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Next, third one, 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. So 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. So you have to write this in the Indian system of numeration. First you have to write every 3 digit, that is 762 in one group, and then every 2 digits in the another group, that is 5, 9. Put a comma and then 5, 7. Put a comma. So last one 8. Therefore 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762 is the given solution. Then fourth one, 9 crore 84,000, 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701, 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. You have to write in the form of words. So here number is given, you have to put commas and then write according to the Indian system of numeration. So first 3 digits forms one group, that is 107. So write 107. After 7 you have to put comma, that is 701. And then every 2 digits forms the groups. So write 2, 3, put a comma, that is 32,701. And then 4, 8. After 4, 8, put a comma, that is 84 lakh 32,701. Then the remaining 9 write as it is. So for 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. So 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701 is the answer. In this way you have to write the given numbers in the form of Indian system of numeration. So let us take another problems, that is insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Here you have to write the given numerals in the form of International System of Numeration. By using commas suitably, you have to write the given numbers in the International System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, every 3 digits forms the group. So you have to note the every 3 digits belongs to group. So first one, 78,921,092. Here starting from the right, every 3 digits forms the group, that is 290 and forms one group, that is 92. And then after 0 you have to put a comma, then 1, 2, 9. These 3 digits forms one group, that is 921,000, and remaining numbers are 7 and 8 belongs to one group. Therefore the 78,921,092 is the word form of the given problem in the International System of Numeration, that is 78,921,092. Second one, 7,452,283. So first 3 digits forms one group, that is 283, and then 254, that is 452 forms another group, and last remaining number is 7. Therefore 7,452,283. 7,452,283 is the given solution. So third one, 99,985,102. So last 3 digits, that is 102 forms one group, that is 102. Then remaining 2 numbers, that is 985, that is 985,000 becomes another group, and last two digits, that is 99, it belongs to million group. Therefore 99,985,102 is the numeral form of the given problem in the international system of numeration. So here every 3 digits forms one group. You have to write by this. The given solution is 99,985,102. Dear students, let us take some homework for today. That is, first one, fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. First one, 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. So first one, 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Second one, 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. Next, third one, 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. And fourth one, 1 crore is equal to dash lakh. That is, 1 crore is equal to dash lakh. So do this homework today and send in the WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.